Hey guys, Kurt here with NK Garage, and we got ourselves Husky hammer here. Found it in the middle of the road, or Nick's mom actually found it and said, "Hey, do you want this?" And we said, "Yeah, it's broken. Let's go bring it to Home Depot and see how their warranty is." So we're gonna go back to Home Depot, check out the warranty on their Husky tools, and see maybe we might pick up a little extra goodie to show you guys. So let's get on the road and let's get this hammer replaced. Alright guys, we're back in the garage and we got the hammer. I didn't expect to have any trouble getting this, but this is my first time warranting a Husky tool at Home Depot. So I went to the hammer selection, and they had the exact same hammer in stock, the Husky 45-ounce dead blow hammer. Just for reference, this is normally priced at a $33 price tag. So I grabbed the new one off the shelf. I brought both hammers to customer service and said I want to do a warranty exchange. The lady said no problem. She had a couple buttons on the computer. She took the old hammer. I took the new one. And now we have a new hammer. And this is just another reason why I love tools with a warranty, especially tools with an easy warranty. We use a lot of these dead blow hammers in our landscaping business. We typically use them on pavers when we're smacking pavers and just aligning pavers. And we beat the crap out of these things. We really
literally
do. And they're not that expensive. This is the larger size of 45 ounce. We have a couple of the smaller ones as well. And we beat the crap out of them. And it's good to know that when they blow open or break, we can just bring them back to the store, get a new one, no questions asked. They didn't ask me for my phone number. I didn't need a receipt. I didn't have to fill out any paperwork. It was just a quick couple-minute thing. And usually we're always near a Home Depot, relatively close to one. We actually go there all the time for this and that and the other. So it's very convenient for us. So that's why we buy dead blow hammers made by Husky for our landscaping business. In the garage here, we have a couple of other brands, including Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight, Snap-on as well. Those both also have lifetime warranties. I haven't exchanged either of those yet, but they haven't broken. So stay tuned for more videos like this. And if you got time to stick around, we'll be showing you guys something else we picked up at the store.
All right, guys. So Kurt has the camera now. While we're at the store, I bought something. This is for me personally. I had to spend my own money on this. I didn't get to use our NK Garage card on this one. But picked up this 5.5 foot Gorilla ladder. Kurt and my dad both have this same ladder. And every time I've used it, whether it be Kurt's or my dad's, I'm always jealous of how nice it is. This is my 6 foot aluminum A-frame ladder that came with this house when I bought it, and I've kind of been using this for everything. It's rickety. It's not very sturdy. I don't really like using it. Nothing about it is good. Paint tray holder just isn't sturdy. I think it's bent because it wobbles basically all the time. And I don't know. I saw this ladder, it was $100, and I figured after using Kurt's and my dad's, I know how good they are, and $100 really wasn't that great. So this ladder is going to get donated to a nice cause, and this will be my new ladder. What I really like about these, if I can get it off of here, it's so well built, but it comes with this nice tray that goes right in the back here. So painting, doing whatever, you have a nice tray up here. Stuff is not going to fall out. It's not flopping out of the way like the paint tray on the older ladders. And the best part, unlike an older ladder like that, while that's connected, you can fold that ladder up, walk it over to your next spot, and it's really easy. Open it up, and this ladder is sturdy. The steps are huge. These upper steps are really wide, so for putting your tools down and stuff. Even though I'm losing 6 inches of height, I'm gaining a lot of stability and safety. So for $100, you can't go wrong.
Yeah, I agree. I have this ladder, as Nick said, and this tray is the best thing about it. You can put a lot of stuff up here. I've been working on it and have put tools. I've put a beverage, paint, anything, any kind of supplies. Whereas these old school ladders, this isn't gonna hold much, and it's not gonna hold it very well for very long. So this was definitely a good upgrade. And these old ladders, they're very rickety, and although they might be really lightweight, they're just not that great. So I think you made a good purchase, Nick.
I think so too.
And I think for that price point, you can't complain at a $100 ladder.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, $100 is not a crazy amount for a ladder. I assume even if you were to buy a similar aluminum A-frame ladder from a modern manufacturer, it's going to be similar in price. This is definitely heavier, but I kind of enjoy that. It's made out of this extruded aluminum instead of this C-channel like this. So it doesn't have that like flex to it. You can see this whole ladder just bends. This will not do that. It's much more sturdy. And you feel it when you're on it. And that's confidence inspiring when you're even on a short ladder. You want a sturdy, ladder below you while you're wrangling something around above or in front of you. So
yeah, I agree. And they definitely make better ladders. And I know, a lot of guys in the field will have, their brands of ladders that they prefer as well. But for around the house and for the price point of, $100 wasn't even on sale. That's just the price of the ladder. I'd say it's great for around the house, for the home. I think personally for me, I found that it's the perfect size for a normal residential house. Unless you have vaulted ceilings or something, it pretty much gets everything done inside your home.
And everything fits together really nicely. It's just well made.
Yeah, well, I like it. I think it was a good purchase. All right, well, that concludes our video today. And stay tuned, guys. We're going to have more videos coming out soon. Sorry for the delay. It's just been, a couple weeks of mayhem. We had a couple storms in our town, and me and Nick ended up getting sick. And it's just the way it is. So we're going to slowly be getting back into videos here. And stay tuned for more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.
Go warranty some tools.